Good morning everybody and welcome to Letters and Sounds. We're going to start today with the alphabet song. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Won't you come and have a cup of tea? Well done. Let's practice our tricky words. The. I go to, into, and no. My, was, are, they, be, her, or, he, we, me, she. Do you remember this one? That's right, you. We've also got two of those four tricky words that we've been working on. Here they are. Here's the first one. The word is so. So. Here's another tricky word. The word is said. Said. I'm in the making area now because I need to make some new word cards. I'm going to make some word cards out of cardboard in a rectangle shape. These words are phase 4 words and they are decodable words. That means we can blend the sounds together to make the words. So the first word I'm going to write is went. W, e, n, t. There's a blend. Did you hear it? N, t. Went. I went to the shops. Went. Wonder if you could make a tricky word ready for letters and sounds today. The next word I'm going to write is the word from. Are you ready? R. That's a blend at the beginning of the word. Fr. From. Now let's use our new word cards to write our tricky words. So we've got so, we've got said, we've got from, and do you remember this one? Try and read that word. W, e, n, t. Went. Well done. Let's write the tricky words on our board. Are you ready? W, e, n, t. Went. Well done. S, o, s, I, d, said. And the last one, from. Well done. These are getting quite hard now. I wonder if you remember all of the words that we've learned. Keep practicing with the games I've shown you. Maybe write them in mud and chalk. Try different ways. And remember to play the games that I'm showing you as well. You can keep playing them with the different phonemes or the different tricky words. So we've been practicing our blends, and today we're going to have some words with blends at the beginning of the words. We have been practicing words with the blend at the end, but today we're going to think about the blend at the beginning of the word. So the word that we're going to start with is plum. Pl. There's the blend. P. O. Remember to write them in their own part of the phoneme frame because it's not a phoneme, it's a blend. Plum. O. plum. Well done. The next word that we're going to write is the word twin. Tw is the blend at the beginning. T, t, t. Yeah, what? E. It's easier to hear the sound at the end than it is the blend because it's so quick when you say the word twin. What about your letters? Leave your frame. We're going to write one more. Let's try and write the word swim. Now remember the blend is at the beginning. Swim. Alfie likes to swim in the pond. Sw. I. Swim. Swim. Right, I'm in my garden and I am going to play a phonics game now. It's very sunny this morning, so I thought I'd be outside for my game. So I've got some milk bottle tops. You can use anything. You could use balls, bean bags, bits of paper, pebbles, anything at all. You've got to be able to pick it up and move it. Okay, so on my bottle tops I've written some phonemes. So I've got a and I've got o, and a k, t, g, k. I think I've done that one, haven't I? So d, b, and I've got the long oo or the short o. I've got or, I've got n, and I've got b. So I'm going to play a game. I'm going to say a word. When I say that word, I've got to go and find the right phonemes to build that word. Are you ready? The word we're going to start with is the word born. Right, I'm going over as fast as I can now. B-orn. So I need the or phoneme. And I need the b, or, n. Born. And I've made a word. I'm going to mix them up again. And I'm going to get another word now with one of the phonemes we're practicing this week. The word is food. Running as fast as I can. Right, oh gosh, what's the first phoneme I need? Ooh. Oh, there it is. I've got it. Ooh. Da 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 da. There's the da. Shall I do one more with the final phoneme that we're thinking about today? Let's think about the word good. Oh, goodness me. Good. Ah, there's the g. There we go. And I need the friendly Oz again because I haven't got a o. Good. Good. Have fun playing your game. See you later.